4 days after Daniel Perry was convicted by a jury of murder for killing protester Garrett Foster, his defense team called for a new trial.
They alleged that there were errors in the conduct of the trial that warrant the verdict being thrown out and Daniel Perry getting a new trial.
The 26-page motion reads key evidence was withheld from the jury, including a series of photos taken from protests before the incident that claim Foster used his fiance's wheelchair to block cars. The defense says evidence like this could have shown the jury these protests were not peaceful and Foster was trying to intimidate people. Rick Kofer, a criminal defense attorney, doesn't think these claims will warrant a new trial.
That claim is unlikely to be successful because the judge is not going to decide that he was wrong earlier with his rulings, and more than likely the judge was correct in his rulings.
However, Kofer says the next claim listed in the motion could be a little more successful in getting Perry a new trial, and that's jury misconduct.
First, it's alleged that one of the jurors brought outside information about the law concerning self-defense into the jury room in terms of conversation.
According to the motion, a juror printed out information at home during an overnight break and showed it to other jurors. The defense also claims an alternate juror who acts as a backup juror in case one of the other 12 members cannot fulfill their duties participated in deliberations when they weren't supposed to. The motion says the alternate juror didn't actually speak during deliberations, but did snort, huff, gasp, and make other noises expressing displeasure with certain comments made.
Those claims mean that there's sizzle, there's smoke, but the judge will determine whether or not there's really meat on the table, and then he'll decide whether to grant a new trial or not.
The Travis County District Attorney's Office released this statement to Fox 7 Austin on the motion, saying in part, these motions are standard. We applaud the defense team for making use of procedural safeguards that are available. However, we continue to stand by the jury's unanimous decision to convict Daniel Perry for the murder of Garrett Foster. A decision that isn't by any means unexpected, but according to Kofer, he says it's definitely surprising, since Perry is being considered for a pardon by the Texas Board of Pardons and Paroles.
That might be an example of being safe with belt and suspenders, or it could mean that there are concerns the pardon may not go through.